Hello guys, welcome to Stocks.Mahat channel. In this video, we cover the most significant movers, top gainers, and major losers that are shaping today's market trends. From insights on sector performance to individual stock analysis, this comprehensive update will keep you informed about crucial shifts in the market. Whether you're an investor or a market enthusiast, watch till the end to catch important details that could impact your portfolio. Nifty Realty was among the top sectoral loser, falling 1.72%. Godrej Properties declined 5.80%, Raymond 3.57%, DLF 2.18%, Oberoi Realty by nearly 1.80%. Bajaj Finance was the top loser, dragging the Nifty pack today. It fell 2.86% even after Q2 updates showed new loans booked during the quarter for the company grew 14% in Q2 FY25. Angel One share price fell 3.18% after the broking firm's business update showed a dip in average daily orders on a month-on-month and quarter-on-quarter basis. Shares of VIP Industries settled 7.95% higher after the company partnered with Unicommerce to streamline its post-purchase e-commerce operations. Shares of Bank of Baroda settled 2.10% higher after the public sector lender released its business update for the second quarter of FY25. During the July to September quarter, Bank of Baroda posted a significant increase in its global advances, which grew by 11.6% year-on-year, YoY, to 11.43 lakh rupees crore. The domestic advances also rose by 12.51% to 9.39 lakh rupees crore. Infosys was top gainer in the Nifty 50 pack today amid a broader rally in the IT stocks today. It settled 1.51% higher. ONGC was among the top gainers in Nifty 50 pack today on rising crude oil prices due to escalating Middle East conflict. It settled 1.18% higher. Asian Paints and other paint stocks tumbled today on rising crude oil price. Crude oil prices affect the decorative paint business because it is a raw material intensive industry. Asian Paints stock settled lower by 2.40%. Shares of Avenue Supermarts, the operator of DMart, fell 4.40%. Brokerages delivered a divided outlook on DMart's stock following the supermarket chain's Q2 FY25 business update on Thursday. It reported a 14% year-on-year growth in standalone revenues to 14,050 crore rupees for the quarter ended September 2024. However, several analysts highlighted concerns over the pace of growth.